Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making Ramen Veggie Beef Bowl. So, let's do what we do and make it happen. Ramen seasoning packets. Ramen noodles. Yep, the cheapest ones. We've got some 80-20 ground beef. Sugar snap pea stir fry blend. Soy sauce. Sriracha. I thought I'd try this brand. Some seasoned rice vinegar. Black pepper, and also some green onions. We're breaking the noodles a bit, just like so, and we're getting our mise en place together, so we're ready. To me, having everything ready, measured, and ready to go adds to my cooking fun. I like to know stuff I make taste the same every time too. Off camera, we thinly slice those scallions. We have a Dutch oven over medium heat. We're going to add the ground beef. We're going to stir and cook this until the ground beef is browned. I love this little Dutch oven, by the way. The color, but most importantly the way it heats, is also for baking bread. You know, the famous no-knead bread. Now we're going to turn off the heat and drain the beef. Next, we're going to add half the ramen seasoning package to our ground beef and stir that in. Now we're going to set that aside. We're going to add some water back to our Dutch oven and return the heat to medium. We're going to add the soy sauce. The other half of the seasoning packet goes in. The rice wine vinegar, and this is seasoned. Black pepper, good. Vegetables. I really like these sugar snap pea stir fry stuff, super convenient. Now the noodles go in. Now I'm going to stir it up. We're going to bring them to a boil. Once done, we're going to add the ground beef. Turn off the heat. Toss on those green onions. Serve with some of the sriracha if you like. Before and after. So good, fam. Yo, if you find something useful, please subscribe for more useful stuff. Want this and other fine recipes? And if you want this and other fine recipes, slide over to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. I got you. See you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.